update ni Alden Richards. Malapit na mapanood ang movie ni Alden na Out of Order, kasama pa nga iba pang mga cast, directed by Alden Richards. Yun no. Yan, sa February 21 na yan mapapanood movie ni Alden na Out of Order. Excited na yung mga fans ni Alden syempre. Yan pa, may pa-feature pa nga kay Alden. Ang sabi, after 6 long years we meet again, Tisoy. Yun, tagal mo 6 years. Tapos yung ganap ni Alden, napunta ng Quezon City. Ang sabi, Alden Richard at PLEB, yan, QC. Yan, bukas na ang episode 2 ng Mowel Pan, kasama si Alden Richards. Yan, 2 PM yan. Tapos may pa-congrats ang Spargle. Yan, BP Choice Award, Movie Actor of the Year, 5 records na si Alden. Saka pang-apat, ang Battle of the Judges ni Alden ng 2023. Rating yan. Tapos yung ba, behind the scene ni Alden for Billion Skin, kasama si Miss Glenda. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell kung line updated po ang future reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.